part, basically we have used like JavaScript, Python, some HTML coding, etc. So here let's move to the code. So here we have the code. Okay, so see, I will go to like step by step process how this coding has been done. So in this thing we can see we have created like main pie. So here actually the application gets application starts to run. Okay, like it's like back backend is made up of Flask, and in the front end we have the index.html, which uses basically the JavaScript and the HTML part. Okay, now the main functional part of this is the JavaScript part. Like for now, as we have not gone to the backend part so much. As you can see, there are a lot of things to be done. There are like we have to make this sign up page. Now I'm planning for the OTP also. So the project is total a big project. This can be enhanced further. Like it is enhanced, making enhancement. I am making such an enhancement, but for now let us look to the go to the script part, JavaScript part, for which actually like uh, takes into action about taking the data from the Google Sheets and posting into our website in a very real time position. So here is the script part. So in this script we can see there are various lots of things like uh, fetch, Google CSV, etc. So the first part is fetch. So we have created one function, that is fetch product data, which actually is responsible for taking the product and like taking the data from the Google Sheets and posting into our website. Now the JavaScript code, like in this, it possesses like it dynamically generates the HTML cards to display each product. So let's first look into it. So here is the total thing of the JavaScript. Okay, so first we define the function, like this is called the fetch product data. Now this function is responsible for fetching product data from Google Sheets document, and like it phrases like it is used in parsing and then displaying it into our web page. Then we use the fetch function to retrieve the data from specific Google Sheets URL. Now here we have the Google Sheets URL, as you can see. Okay, the this is sent as output data into the CSV format. Now once the data is fetched, we convert it into like response text. Now see, here we have the response text. So it actually converts the text, means the response to text, using response text method. Now this response text needs to be changed to CSV data, which is to be used. Now we use a library that is called the Papa phrase. Now this Papa phrase is a library, like it fires the CSV data. We pass the CSV data to the Papa phrase, and with like we use the header as true. So this header is true is used basically to show that we are like there is the first row is containing the it contains the header. So like while parsing the complete like when the parsing is complete, it takes the first row as the header, and subsequently takes the other rows as its the like the sub documents or the sub parts. Okay, now let's move to the part which is the product container. Now what is this product container? Now we have for each and every product we have created a container, a card that is generated. So what it actually does, like when we like uh, here is the total product container. Okay, so when we select the product container element, like we like it works as a loop and moves through each and every product in the present in the Google Sheets. Now see, if I go to the Google Sheets, okay, so let me take the Google Sheets, then I will show you how it actually works. So here is a link of the Google Sheet. I will just put it here, let it go. Okay, so this is the Google Sheets we are having. So what this code actually does, it converts the data into CSV, and like it furthes it. This loops through like this from here. The code, this basically loops through each and every data present in the Google Sheet and subsequently creates a card for it. Okay, so here we have used the deflex. Now what is deflex? So in the bootstrap, you can see here we have the flex thing. So we have used the flex like auto margins. We have like see, it actually stacks all the cards in form of this. Now see, one by one it is stacked, and whenever the code loops through each and every product, it actually forms a specific card dedicated to one kind of product. Okay, so like if the code moves to the first one, it creates a card for the like sunflower. Then it goes to the second product, we have the ball. Then it goes and makes one ball. So as I just showed in previously, that it, as we add one new product, it actually gets one new card here, that is put at down, as it's a responsive website. So it's put here, and it forms like a card which has one image, one name, one price tag, and one some description. Okay, so this is how the code works. And we also have added some error formations, like where we like if there is any kind of error in the Google Sheets. So it can be like both, like these are very like process of the net and all. So we can get notified about what kind of error it is presenting. And at last we have the, we call the function. So and finally, like to initiate the data fetching process, and as soon as the script is headed. So we this is how we successfully change the Google Sheets data into our website, and created this mesmerizing website where we can easily put our products and show it to the outer world. Now in upcoming sessions, I will show how to publish this website and make it publicly available, and that's also for free. So this is how we are gonna transform our data and make a simple website that looks after our product, gives us analytics, and also serves as a purpose to advertise and sell our products. So stay tuned for our next updates, and also keep a track on how this project goes on. So thank you, thanks a lot.